What's up, everybody? We are back again. You know that it's us because I forgot to change my skins. But today, we are going to show you how to get the beautiful Laura.
Where's
Yeah,
Cam?
she's not
There.
beautiful.
We have to do Cam. And
That's on it. And then someone will be a bot. I mean player. Who
then, yeah, I'll be it.
To make this easier, if you're doing solo, you can trap him. You can trap Delta in the cave.
Yeah.
You can make him fall if I don't know. You can make him fall. Just so you know, it's just us. If you want to add us, our names are Revolution _ of Ham, and my friend's name is Dr. Sushi. I still don't remember how to spell your name.
The C has 2 S. And yeah, 2 S.
We don't need to
Dr.
escape for this, guys. We don't need to escape for this one.
Yeah, we don't have to.
Yeah.
So I'll just roam around helping you find the key. So
I've already
go near me,
unlocked
okay?
the purple say. Oh my god. By the way, guys, we're doing the Mrs. P tutorial tomorrow. Make sure that you... Oh my god, this is so scary. Make sure that you guys are here to see that. And oh my gosh. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy this tutorial. Shovel not here. Who is gonna go Willow? Fun fact, Willow is a girl, guys.
Oh, I found the shovel.
Where? Oh my god.
Here.
Be in a corner so I don't die. Oh, here. No, infected. Why? Who is supposed to help me?
I was trying to push the infected.
Dude, I have to juke them now.
And then,
Why is there no vents in this house? Willow,
help
me, or else you're gay.
And then, in the tomorrow also, we will be coming up with Mrs. P and the crawling trap.
Oh yeah, the crawling trap.
We will help them get crawling trap. If you cannot get them it alone, so we will help you get it.
Yes. Also, by the way, guys,
or anytime, just comment down below your username and accept our friend request.
Yippee. Also, guys, I forgot what I was going to say.
What are we gonna do first? The Mrs. P tutorial or the crawling trap tutorial?
I think the Mr. P. Because
Mr.
easier.
P is more harder.
No, I think...
Wait, are you doing Mr. P or Mrs. P? Wait, what's this?
I don't remember.
The nose?
Yeah, that's the nose.
Of the teddy bear?
No, that's the nose of the... Oh shoot, I accidentally shot something. Oh my god!
Why?
I didn't see him. I thought I almost died. I saw like one speck of his ear and then...
I don't know if you can see me all the way here.
I don't think I can. But I do see Baron.
It looks like I'm pointing at something when I do the headache. Like, the headache pose, like I hold my head. Yeah, it looks like I'm pointing at something.
Yeah. I honestly like Mrs. P. But I think the only problem with her is that she doesn't have accurate hitbox. Like all the
She
other
has
skins,
hitbox.
they should have
That's why
accurate.
you use it too much. The hitbox is just too OP for me.
Honestly, the Decaying Infected skin is one of my favorites. Probably should open the other part, the cave. You guys are probably screaming like, "Open the cave!" By the way, guys, once you get all the teddy bear parts, what I give as a hint is that you should try and push Pony and Willow into the dark abyss, so they don't disturb you while you're trying to get the what is it called, the sacrifice. Sacrifice the there. Sean, what made you want to play this game? My God, we only have 4 minutes already.
I just realized of Piggy. And because my brother I heard him playing Piggy. And I said, is that Piggy or All Favorite Game? And then he said, yeah. So I started playing this game again.
Alright guys, we have the lasso. We only have 4 minutes, but I think that's all we need right now. And I'll show you all the locations. Don't worry, I know. First, we need to click this Insolence Eye. Hopefully, the people don't come. Now I will go. Oh, yes, they're stuck. Yes, Pony's stuck there already. Yes.
I'm stuck here too.
You're stuck down there?
Yeah.
Can you climb? Oh, wait, I forgot to get that teddy bear part. We need to grab this teddy bear part, which is right here. Next to the bridge. Oh my God, you scared me.
I'll help you too. I'll help you.
Next to the
Did you
bridge.
get the other one too? Yep. Go inside
Yes.
that place.
Next is next to this bed.
Yeah.
There's one
And,
in the tree area. Right next to this blue crate. It's near spawn. Take that. Bada boom, bada bang.
Piggy's fun. You mean Piggy's fun, right?
Huh?
And then now you go to the bunk bed area.
Yeah, the
there.
bunk beds. And oh no. Am I cornered here? No.
Yep. Oh, I'm pushing them. No.
How can
Yes,
they see
Willow.
me? Oh! 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 Oh my God!
Willow respawned.
I juked them.
Bro, did you got it?
Yeah, that's all of them for downstairs. Next
Now we're
is
going
upstairs.
upstairs.
There is one behind the blue house, which is actually in the snow patch. So make sure to dig that up.
And the last part, once and for all, is the head, which is inside this area.
The green and
it'll
brown
be there.
area. Now I'm getting cornered by Piggy. Hi, Piggy, come here. Next, if you see the eyes glow, that's good. We just bring Piggy here in front and it should disappear. And then you hear a cha-ching. We're gonna help you get the crawling trap next time. Peace out, gamers.